Hi, this is Chelsea. Today I'm at Titusville Ford. We've been owned by the same family for over 75 years. We are located in Tacoma, right off of I-5 and the 38th Street exit. Today we're looking at this very vibrant red 2013 Ford Focus SE. On the exterior, it has automatic headlights. It also has the alloy wheels, turn signals in the mirrors. The mirrors are heated as well. Makes for a great first-time buyer. On the inside, it has the heated two-tone cloth seats, automatic transmission, has a CD player with Microsoft Sync, which means it has a USB port and iPod integration. Integrated in the steering wheel, it has cruise control, stereo controls with Bluetooth, and information controls for your convenience. It does come equipped with all the power options, windows, locks, and mirrors. Nice and comfortable in the back seat. Does seat up to 3 passengers. There's plenty of space in the cargo area. Can fold the back seats down for more room if needed. Does have the all-weather mats to keep your carpet nice and clean. All of our inventory here at Titusville goes through a thorough safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed, so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-475-4151. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.